May I have your attention, please? Tonight's guest of honor is known for her achievements in the fine arts industry. 3 years ago, she had successfully acquired her master's in the fine arts from the California Institute of the Arts, also known as CalArts, in the United States of America. She has been sponsoring our programs and workshops for the young artists in Malaysia for the past 5 years since the establishment of our company in 2014. She had just flown from London this morning to officiate our opening ceremony of the exhibition of arts for the young artists of Malaysia. That is the exhibition right here. Known for her optimistic and kind attitude towards these young artists, I give to you Miss Ammerie Lucallyn. Please give her a big round of applause.